the Habit Tracker template brought to you by TemplateShop.net. As we see, this tracker will help one to stay on top of one's annual goals and turn them into monthly, weekly, and even daily habits. The sheet will tell us a few of the important things we need to note in the explanation of the various sheets, which can be found right below or even in the panel on the left. We start by the yearly planner, where we set the goals that we want to achieve for that specific year. We delve directly into the months. Here we see that it's a tree. So this is a tree template. Likewise, you can also buy the rose template or the sunflower template from TemplateShop.net. We get into the daily habits, and each of these habits are broken down by the week, specific weeks, the consistency, and the longest consistency. The current consistency is what have we been doing without a break, and the longest consistency is the longest duration for which we have been following a particular habit in case of each of these activities. As we move forward, we realize that for each of the activity, as we start populating or using the checkboxes, we realize that the plant, we can keep nurturing the plant, which we see over here, where we have just achieved 2 out of 9, which shows that it's only 18% achievement. So the plant is just growing. Whereas here we realize that it's 64%, the plant is growing or it has grown. Or say, for example, out of 91, we realize the plant is fully grown into a tree. We also have the percentage done graphs, and it also lets you know whether you are at the stage of getting your life on track, getting better at everything, or going all the way up to the goals achieved, which is 80% and above. We similarly have templates for each month of the year, all the way up to December. From here, we jump into the monthly tracker, where we realize the number of goals which are achieved, what has been done, not done, based on quarters of the year, and we have the months, again, current consistency versus the longest consistency. Finally, we look at what have we achieved based on what goals we had set initially, based on done, not done, or the percentage done, and how many goals have we achieved over the years. These eventually can be the input for the subsequent year to have your planning in terms of goals. We really appreciate you watching this video. You can stay up to date on useful templates by subscribing to TemplateShop.net. This spreadsheet template can be bought at TemplateShop.net, the link for which can be found in the description.